Hi, it's Romeo Caparasa from taxaccountingadelaide.com.au, and today I'm going to teach you a big mistake that some businesses are making that I really want you to avoid. The big lesson is to make sure that staff aren't stealing from you, obviously particularly in your accounting department. So I'm going to make sure that you know how easy it is to prevent your staff from stealing from you in your accounting department, which is a very important thing you must take care of, and must make sure that your business does have the internal controls and accounting procedures right, so that you don't have people stealing from you, which obviously is neither good for you because they're going to take a lot of money away from you and you may not recover that money again, but also you may be putting someone into jail, and sure, it may not be you haven't made them steal from you, you could say, but I've spoke to owners in this situation, and I can tell you it's not a pleasant situation when someone they've worked with is sent off to jail because they've been stealing from them, and additionally they've done things with the money which makes the money unrecoverable. So listen in, I'm going to tell you quick ways to make sure this doesn't happen. And you may be thinking this probably will never happen to me, but I have met real people this has happened to, and it can actually be quite common that someone sitting at your computer is actually stealing from you. Not to scare you too much, there are a lot of good people out there, but let's make sure that you've got the right systems in your business to avoid this sorry situation. I'm not going to tell you a whole heap of boring accounting terminologies and technologies which you may not understand, but the simple way I want you to understand this is that you shouldn't have one person doing everything in your accounting department. So let's just say you shouldn't have someone paying people, you shouldn't have that same person paying staff or suppliers, and they shouldn't also be doing the having your control of your bank account, so having internet login details, and they shouldn't also be doing your accounting, which includes doing the bank reconciliation and preparing reports to you. If someone's doing all of those particular things, you may be at risk of having being stolen to. Now you may think, hey, no worries, I trust them. Don't trust them. Make sure you have some way of supervising some of these steps of the process. So for instance, make sure you are the only one who can transfer money into people's accounts. Make sure that you have someone separate doing the bank account from the main paymasters. So this is what accountants call separating duties. So make sure you've got separation of duties of the main things such as payments, bank reconciliations, and also internet banking control, and also preparing accounts, so things such as the reports, payroll reports, and also bank reconciliations. So some of the signs that this may be some problems may be happening before your very eyes. Obviously, if you do have the conditions I've just mentioned and you don't have the separation of duties I was just talking about, that's your first sign. When you've got someone who's doing everything, including the payments and the bank reconciliations and the bank transfers, and they never take holidays, that's a big sign as well. Also, if you've asked for reports and they always seem to make excuses for that. Another important one is sudden losses of data of your business information. So commonly these people are kind of worried about things, and they may transfer or get rid of accounting data from your records so that they can destroy some evidence. If you do suspect you have any of these system problems in your business and accounting systems, I'm happy to have a talk to you and help streamline other sections of your accounting so that you're not wasting too much time on the accounting, but making sure that your accounting is done efficiently and effectively so that you use accounting to actually improve your business. I'm available on 8337-4460, or you can find out more information about me on my website, which is taxaccountingadelaide.com.au.